Looking ahead, Block Inc. is implementing advanced solutions to minimize Cash App Error 500 occurrences. By Q4 2026, machine learning models will be deployed to predict and prevent these server errors through predictive scaling, potentially reducing them by 40%. These models will analyze server load patterns and automatically scale resources, preventing overload situations that cause 500 errors. This proactive approach represents a significant improvement over reactive fixes. Additionally, regulatory pressures from bodies like the FDIC are driving Cash App toward 99.9% reliability standards. This high uptime goal will require ongoing infrastructure upgrades, including partnerships with cloud providers like AWS for better scalability. As user adoption grows toward 80 million by 2027, these advancements will be crucial to maintaining service quality and preventing the server issues that lead to Error 500. Block Inc. is committed to this technological evolution. Sometimes, the issue with Cash App Error 500 is entirely on the app's server side. In these cases, there's nothing you can do immediately to fix it from your end. Instead, check external sources for server status updates. The first place to check is Down Detector, a website that tracks outages and service disruptions in real time. Search for Cash App on their site to see if other users are reporting similar issues. You can also visit Cash App's official Twitter account, now known as X. Look for any posts about server issues or maintenance. Official updates from the company will appear there. If these sources confirm a widespread outage, the best action is to wait. Cash App's team will resolve server issues as quickly as possible, and the app will return to normal functionality. HTTP status codes are standard responses that servers send to indicate how they handled a web request. Error 500 is part of the 5XX series, which specifically signals server-side failures. These codes are grouped by hundreds: 1XX for information, 2XX for success, 3X for redirects, 4XX for client errors, and 5XX for server errors. The 5XX series means the server encountered an error, such as overload or unhandled exceptions, preventing it from fulfilling the request. Error 500, the internal server error, is a common example in this category. In Cash App, this often ties to back-end systems processing payments through APIs from Visa, ACH networks, or other financial institutions. The Visa network diagram shows how transactions flow between parties, and any server failure in this chain can cause Error 500. During Black Friday 2025, Cash App faced a massive surge of 500 internal server errors, impacting over 500,000 users across the United States. The holiday shopping rush created unprecedented traffic spikes on the platform. This overwhelmed the servers, resulting in widespread Error 500 messages and service disruptions. The root cause was the app's vulnerability to sudden traffic spikes during peak shopping periods. In response, Cash App implemented significant improvements to their load balancing systems to better handle future high-traffic events. This case study highlights the importance of robust server infrastructure for handling user demand spikes. A 2025 survey revealed that 23% of U.S. mobile payment users encountered errors similar to Error 500 within the past year. Cash App ranked third in this category, behind Venmo in first place and PayPal in second. Cash App's expansion into crypto trading, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, has significantly increased server demands. This heightened load leads to more Error 500 occurrences, especially during periods of high crypto market volatility. Be aware that trading at peak times may make you more susceptible to these issues.